My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Audi Q5. This vehicle has done just under 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons below, we can get quick access to navigation, Bluetooth, radio, and media. We also have Audi Connect and Audi smartphone interface. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Q5 also comes with 6 different driver modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.